So right now I want to show off a feature in EOS version 3.2 that was introduced, and that's the concept of a template show file. So right now I have my template show file and I'm going to save it. So the idea here is when I start a new show file, it opens this template show file. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is direct the EOS program into looking for that template show file, and that's done in the shell. So we will exit out to the shell, and we're going to go into settings. And what we're going to do is look at this template show, and nothing is selected. So I'm going to point the template show file to that directory, and then I'll have a pop-up to navigate my show file archive with that template show file. Once I select that template show file, I'm going to click accept and then go back into primary. If I go into file and select new, I'll be in a blank slate. But if I select new from template, it will start me from my template show file.